Hello, today we will be covering an application problem based on the exponential growth model. So let's consider this example. The population of a town grows at a rate proportional to its current size. In 2000, the population was 7,000. In 2006, the population had grown to 12,000. So the question is, what was the population of this town in 2010? Round to the nearest whole number. So here we can use the exponential growth model. P of t equals P sub 0 e to kt. So P sub 0 is the initial population. That is, we have given the initial population as 7,000. And P of t is the population after a period of time. So we have given the population after 6 years, that is in 2006, the population had grown to 12,000. So P of t is 12,000. And we have given the time t as 6. And here we need to find out the growth rate. Okay, since it is an exponential growth model, we have to find the growth rate k. Okay, so 12,000, that is the population after a period of time. Here it is 6 years, so 12,000 equals, this is the initial population, that is 7,000 e to k times 6. So you can see that this is an exponential equation. So we have already studied different methods to solve an exponential equation. So to solve this equation, we need to get the exponential part by itself. So here we can see that the exponential part is like e to 6k. So we need to get this part by itself. So we have to divide both sides of the equation by 7,000. So we can simplify this fraction as 12 over 7 equals e to 6k. Now we have to solve for k. So in this case, you can see that we can apply the method like take natural logarithm on both sides of the equation to solve for k. So ln of 12 over 7 equals ln of e to 6k. So we have already studied a property of the natural logarithm, ln of e to the x is x. So we can use this formula here. So ln of e to 6k equals 6k, just the exponent. Then ln of 12 over 7 equals 6k. So to solve for k, divide both sides by 6. So for these types of problems, I would suggest you to round the answer for the final value. So please do not round until the final answer. So you can keep the value of k as like this, okay? Then the question is, so we got the growth rate. So what we need to find out is the population of this town in 2010. So you can see that the initial year is like the beginning year is like 2000. So after 10 years, we need to find the population. So you can again use the basic exponential growth model. P of t equals P sub 0 e to kt. So we have to find the population in 2010. So it's like a period of time like the t is like 10. So we have to find P of 10 equals, this is the initial population, that is 7,000 e to the value of k that we have ln of 12 over 7, the whole quantity divided by 6, that is in the exponent part. Then P, you can see that the basic exponential for growth model is P of t equals P sub 0 e to kt. So t is, here it is 10. So when you calculate this, you will get 17,188.45006. So based on our instruction given in the question, round to the nearest whole number. So when we round that to the nearest whole number, the final answer is 17,188. So the population in 2010 is 17,188.